today I am going to tell you some amazing facts about nature. So here you go. So did you know, guys, why some fruits are colored green when they are not yet ripe? Well, the reason is chlorophyll. So this is some kind of cell or green pigment that breaks down when it gets old. So when it breaks down, it turns orange, red, or any color like yellow. So that's it. Okay, moving on. Why does coffee energize you? It is because of caffeine. So did you know, guys, that there is a cell in your brain that has receptors, so it can slow down your brain activity. So you are playing some building blocks and you're building some kind of wall. One of those cells will go to the receptors, so it will slow down your brain activity. But when you drink coffee, well, it will release caffeine and it will go to the same receptors of that cell and it will do the opposite. Well, fastening your brain activity. So that's it. Moving on. So this is about one kind of animal. And this animal is called the slow loris. But look at its claws closely before you say, "Aw, so cute, I want to pet one." Well, just look at its claws. Its claws look very sharp, and its claws are not just very sharp, but it also has some toxic substances. So better stay away from this animal and let it free in the wilds, or it will scratch you and its claws will release the toxic substances. So that's it. So here is the largest and also the most smelliest flower in the world, which is the corpse flower. This corpse flower looks much like the plant in the Mario video game, and the corpse flower is not only so huge but also so smelly. Like there's a huge hole that's filled up with smelly banana peels and trash. So, ew, stay away from that. So, last one. How do guard bees protect their hives? Well, like the bees that work in the hive, well, the guard bee will sniff the bee coming into the hive, but if the guard bee fails again and again, it will bite or sting the intruder. But if it smells similar, it will let them in. So that's how guard bees protect their hives. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe over here. Peace.